So hello everyone, welcome to classroom of chemistry. Today we talk about the entrance examination of Banaras Hindu University. So I know you do well in IIT JAM examination. I congratulate the selected candidates and don't worry the other students. I am here for you. There are a lot of many universities which are equivalent to IITs. Some of them Banaras Hindu University and others like Hyderabad Central University DU are also very popular university and equivalent. BHU popular and very prestigious university. So without wasting any time, we start about the discussion about the Banaras Hindu University examination. At first we discuss about the eligibility criteria. You have to acquire 50% marks in your graduation. There is not mandatory subject combination required for BHU like Hyderabad, because Hyderabad requires the mandatory subject combination of physics and math. Here only 50% marks required to appear for the examination. Now we come to the exam details. The duration of the exam is 120 minutes and the number of questions are also 120 questions. So per question per question 1 minute. You have to solve per question in 1 minute. It's very risky, but you actually you don't have to solve 120 questions, so don't worry about that. I will later discuss about the question. Acquire 3 marks, total 360 marks of examination. 360 marks examination and with the negative marking of -1. Okay, so the exam pattern is MCQ. The exam pattern is MCQ and the exam mode is online. So you have to appear your nearby center and the online examination occurs. Not like HU give you OMR sheet, but not OMR sheet here. Here online examination. So now we discuss about the exam fee. The exam fee is 600 for general, EWS, and 300 for ST/SC OBC. Half of it. Now the main part is your syllabus. So syllabus is all Indian universities entrance examinations are based on the IIT JAM syllabus. If you follow the IIT JAM syllabus very carefully, you can easily qualify for the BHU examination. there is another addition of BHU. There is analytical chemistry. There is some university who include the analytical part in BSc. I noticed that many students are focused on this part, but I want to tell you that you got 120 questions. Out of 120, 20 questions are come from analytical. If you revise the previous years of BHU, we can easily solve the analytical part, because analytical portion is common from the if you solve previous years, you easily can do analytical chemistry. Okay, so I will make a separate video of analytical chemistry of previous years. You can follow that. Okay, don't about the analytical chemistry too much. You have another 100 question to solve, because you don't need to attend 120 questions in 120 minutes. If you attend 120 questions in 120 minutes, you fail to achieve the 120 question. You can score only you can only, the time is very less, so the pressure is very high. I will suggest you to not to attend 120 questions. At first you go for the easy ones, and my suggestion is to follow the question from 1 to 120. You don't know, or you don't need to solve 120 questions. What is the strategy? Strategy is that first 1 hour go for only the easy ones. You read 100 to 120 questions, but you do only that questions only are easy, very easy for you. And what about the numericals? You skip the numericals for the second hour. Then you can easily save your time. Numericals. So first hour go for the easy questions, and second hour go for the numerical and other questions. You can use the option of mark for review. Like jam. For the which question that question that you can do 60%. Why I am saying these equations, these strategies, because because the cutoff is nearby 200 to 220 for chemistry. So you have to attend 65 to 75 questions, or you can say 70 to 75 questions. If you want to correct 70 to 75 questions, you have to attend 80 to 85 questions. You don't need to attend 20 questions. So you can skip that 40 questions, because the BHU questions are very easy, but that time maintenance is the matter. 120 minutes is very less to solve 120 questions. You can't do it. If you want to do it, you will not secure your rank. You have to solve 80 to 85 questions too, and round figure your correct answers are 75, and you got this 200 and 220, between 220 it's a safe zone, you can say that. If you cross 200, you can easily got rank under 90 or under 70, because the number of seats is 97. But there are certain restrictions, because BHU set less cut off for their own students who doing their BSc there in BHU. So in 2019 the cutoff for general is 179, and in 2020 the cutoff is 210 so something. My suggestion is don't panic for the analytical portion. The analytical portion is will be easily covered if you follow the past previous year questions. I suggest you to do at least 5 to 6 year previous year, because you got 35 to 40 questions common from previous year. You got 35 to 40 questions common from previous year, and if you follow the previous year, you can easily solve the analytical part. You don't have to solve all the analytical parts, but I sure you got common from that. And if you solve 5 to 6 year previous year, at least 5 to 6 year, you can do more. Solve 9 to 10 years, you will get 35 to 40 questions common. I sure 35 to 40 questions. So the main thing is the exam date and the application form release. Due to corona, the exam date is shifted. Previous year in 2020, mainly the exam will held at May or April, but due to corona in 2020 the exam was held in August, I think, and the result publishes in September result. But in 2021, I think the application form starts from July. Application form, and you got 1 month or 2 months of to fill up the application form, and your examination, I think, is going to happen around August or September. 2020 examination, 2021 examination BHU may be in August or September. So start preparing for Banaras Hindu University and solve previous year question, at least 5 to 6 year previous year question. So the fact is, someone says that the Banaras Hindu University will not take its entrance, but it's not true. All central universities will take an entrance examination. You will not select with your merit base. You have to go your center. Don't worry, all the central university will take entrance examination. So don't about that. Entrance examination will held. It's supposed to be held in August or September, and the application form will release in July maybe, or July to August. Or I think you understand all the things, and go through the previous year questions, because I repeated it again and again, because I sure 35 to 40 questions will be common from the previous years. At least solve 5 to 6 year questions, or you can go for more 7 to 8 year questions previous. If you solve, you will surely get 35 to 40 questions. Don't panic. As I said, that BHU, HCU, DU, these universities are very popular, equivalent to IITs. Prepare for NET and GATE. So don't worry, prepare for these universities. Don't panic. IIT is not everything. Prestigious universities. This is prestigious universities. So all it. Prepare for your examination, entrance examination, and solve previous year questions to qualify for the examination. All the best, everyone. Thank you.